Hey everyone, it's Tech here, back with another quick tip video for you. Not seeing Apple Intelligent on your iPhone yet? No worries, I'll guide you through how to get it set up and explain why it might not be showing up on your device. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's make sure your iPhone is updated. Go to Settings greater than General, greater than Software Update, and make sure you're running iOS 18.1. Updating your iOS is crucial for accessing the latest features. Now here's where compatibility comes in. Not every iPhone will support Apple Intelligent, even with the update. You'll need one of these devices: iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 16 series. That's the iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, and 16 Pro Max. If you're not on one of these, Apple Intelligent won't appear just yet. Once updated, and if you're on a compatible iPhone, head back to Settings and look for Apple Intelligent and Siri. Tapping on it for the first time will prompt you to join Apple Intelligent. Tap, wait a bit, and you'll receive a notification when it's ready. Then you can activate it and start exploring. A quick tip: if you're in a region where Apple Intelligent isn't available yet, try switching your language to United States English in Settings. This could help make it available to you. And that's it. Easy setup for Apple Intelligent on iOS 18.1. I hope this walkthrough helped. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.